Okay guys, so based on information that I got today, the park is actually supposed to be open tomorrow, and that's Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. I understand that the Prime Minister will be coming down for that opening. I'm not sure if I'll be able to make it tomorrow to record that opening. If I do, you will definitely see a video either Tuesday evening or Wednesday. I will let you know on this video, under this video, if I'm going to do that. If not, then it would be sometime next week that you will get a video from me. I'm not sure if I'll be able to make it tomorrow to the opening. And so that's why I am sharing this video with you guys until I get that video inside the park. All right, so look out for that one shortly. And in the meantime, enjoy this video. I need to walk a little slower. And swings for the kitties. Across from KFC, and this is what it looks like. Kind of expected more. Okay, thank you very much for watching, my sunshines. Remember, if you're my tribe, then subscribe. You know what to do. Hit that button and turn it blue. See you next time.